I have this Hello Summer grapefruit style cardboard jug from the Dollar Tree, and I gave it a good sanding, and now I'm covering it with Wise Owl primer. Once that's completely covered and dry, I then added some black paint using my Klingon brush that you can get at chalkitupfancy.com. The white primer also was from Wise Owl. That too can be found at chalkitupfancy.com along with the black paint. And once that was dry, I then went back in with Wise Owl Snow Owl. And I'm using my S30 Klingon, perfect size for craft. And I'm not really worried about full coverage, as I want the black to peek through. Once that was dry, I took some Spanish olive and used it on the top left leaves. And now I'm giving everything a really good sanding. And this is going to show a little bit of the black to give it a little bit of a rustic look. Once that dried, I'm taking some citron from Wise Owl, and I can still see the raised imprint from the grapefruit, and I'm just using the same pattern and adding citron as I'm changing this from a grapefruit to a lemon. While the white on the top is still wet, I added some black to make it gray. To give my mason jar a separation from the top and the body. I took my Hello stencil that Jamie made a while back. She made that from her Cricut. And Jamie is posting a tutorial on how to use the Cricut later today. And this I did with the gray and the black as well. And now I'm just connecting my letters. I used a large dabber, and the key with stenciling is to try to use as little paint as possible, and then give everything a really good sanding. Sanding really does help your stencils also. It takes your eye away from any bleeding or any imperfections. So Happy Sunshine. These little stickers I got at the Dollar Tree. It was a set of 6 for $1. They are stickers, like they're supposed to be reusable. They're reusable, but the second time they really don't stick. So this one says Sunshine, because the hello is already there. And I took some random ribbon and a few buffalo plaid and tied it all together for a bow. Place that down in the corner there with some hot glue, or you can use E6000. I'm removing the jute as I did get some paint on it and replacing it. Guys, all these paint products can be found at chalkitupfancy.com along with transfers and brushes. Now just for a little added touch, I took a little white and outlined my leaf and gave it a little stem look in the center of each leaf. And then I created lines for the top of my jar. Give it that screw top look. And it's almost not noticeable, but at the very top, there's a little tip pointing out, almost like it's supposed to be the tip of a straw. So I use the citron for that little portion just to bring that out. And all these things I did with a little art brush. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. For more tutorials, go check us out on YouTube. You now can watch all our videos on our webpage, chalkitupfancy.com. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.